gonna be one in here. Oh, that motherfucker's deadly right there. I'm pulling this fuck. Oh, so bad. That's fucking sick. He crushed it. Oh, yeah, bro. Fuck. Fish too. He looks like it. Carpa?
Oh, just a fucking nasty striper.
So bad.
Fuck. Bro.
Oh, that's a solid one.
Solid striper.
Oh, this is another good one. I told you they were in the esquina. I knew they were. Oh, this is a good one too. He messed up my lure. He's gonna put scratches on it. Oh, it's a... Oh. Fuck. Just a little bite. Dick. I feel the rocks down there. The pancita needs like a tamale or maybe a little torta. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one, big dog. That's a really good one. Didn't get off that time. No. Oh, he's caliente. Look it. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's a solid one, big dog. Can't get him up. Look at him. He's a fucking fat 3-pounder, maybe bigger. He's a nice one. I don't want to flip him. Oh, he's a donkey, big dog. He's coming in. Oh, look at that's a donkey. That one, dog. Oh, that's a nice one. I'm gonna weigh him. Oh,
Great donkey, bro.
big dog. That's a good fish.
Good looking fish, bro.
Bro.
4.5, 5 all day.
Bro.
No, 4, 5 maybe.
Bro, look at where I got him, right on the roof.
That's a hook set. I saw that.
Damn. Oh, she paid. On the Sierra. The little fucking caña right here. Dude. That is a nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, bro.
Fuck.
I think I caught that one last
Yeah. God damn, he wasn't going nowhere. Oh. Oh, there's some agua in there. Hey, I knew when he I go, fuck, that fucker feels good. Oh, for sure. And it's sicker to pull one out of back there. 17 pound, you could bring him out with that. I got rocked right now.
Did you?
Yeah. Ooh-wee. It's another good one. They're fucking nice ones, big dog. Oh, that is a fucking solid one.
Another solid one.
Look at that. And he brought me a little treat right here. He goes, you know what? Merry Christmas, Butch. You could have a little fucking yerba to take home, you know? Oh, that's a nice one. Fucking right through the whistle on that one. Fuck yeah. You know what? You're all siéntate. Sit down, mijo.
I don't know.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, oh, he's a good one. Oh, yeah. God damn. Crickets. Oh, come here, big dog. Oh, he's barely good too. Oh. Fucking bad. That is nice, dude. Another nice one. Look at the quality of the color on these things. Beautiful.
Jesus.
Hey, the net is the ticket though for me.
I think it's just anything, bro. Anything black. You know what I mean? Or anything just dark.
Fuck, that's a nice fish right there. It's a 2-pounder. We're gonna pick our best ones out of here. We're fucking stacked in here.
I just can't swim fucking hard, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's so sensitive, bro. He's looking at it right now.
You're right, he's looking at it. Yeah, I can smell it. I can feel his breathing.
Just a fucking beat down, big dog.
Oh.
That's a fucking another good one,
Oh, dude.
Thank you for a fucking ride.
Hey, this guy might be a fucking cherry one. He didn't jump.
Striper.
No.
Fuck yeah.
Look at this. He's a good one. Oh, he's a gordo.
He is, huh?
He's a gordo. Oh, that's another tanker, big dog.
Damn, alright, fucking, you know what? I'm gonna go drop you off already.
Look at that one. Oh, big dog.
Oh, this is a fucking phenomenal day right here.
It's turned into a fucking, look at that one. That's a 3-pounder right there. I'm gonna weigh this one and weigh the, no, I wanna keep fishing, dude. This is the 2 biggest fish, this one and the other one.
Yep.
Look at that fucker. He's a fucking tanker.
Fucking gordo, huh?
That was a striper. That was a striper, big dog.
We got fucking this for hours, bro. I'm gonna come back and fuck him up. Nah, I'm not gonna leave right now, too.
Really?
You think I'm gonna leave like that? Jesus. Oh, I had one too.
Bro, I cannot stop catching fish, bro.
He had it again.
Bro, I want to say that we did over 10 each, bro.
What?
Come on, you fucker. I'm trying to put you back.
Jesus.
I got to put a new worm. Fuck. But I'm catching all kinds of bass right now. Oh, fuck.
Try the fucking toolies real quick. Do the toolies, go over there and cast the same way we are here.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't even leave right here, bro.
There.
I literally.
I don't know. Oh, that's another good one too. Fucking bad. We're gonna catch another one at least.
Bro. Oh, he's a tanker, this one. Oh, bro, look at that.
Damn. I don't think I've seen like fucking like that amount of fish coming out of the fucking forebay in just like in one area. You know what I mean?
Oh my God. Bro, that is a fucking tank right there.
Yeah, that's another one. Bro, you yourself had a fucking 20-pound bag.
Bro.
Just a fucking beautiful fucking fish.
Fuck. Take a picture with this one.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck.